Hi, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Lake Ozarks, Missouri. Thank you for joining me. Behind me is the Harris Grand Mariner 250, 25-foot tune length here. I really like this gunmetal gray. Very, very neutral, attractive color. Very classy, which is exactly what our Grand Mariner is. Underneath the boat, we've got 27-inch tubes, very large. Keeps you very high out of the water. We've got flip-up cleats, aluminum, billet, trim pieces on our rub rails. Right here we've got the Mercury 350 Verado. Lots of power for this large boat. Moving around here, you can see I've got a ladder down. Nice angle, easy to climb up. Honestly, I can do it without using any hands. So with the rail, easy to do.
No hands, no net.
The single lounger flips up for great storage here. We've got some large bumpers down in there. They do come with the boat at no additional charge. You've got some speakers here at the back with some nice trim. This is where you'd attach anybody to drag them along in the water. That's what we like to do with our friends. We move along here. This flips back, giving you a nice lounge area, rear facing. You're able to you know, watch your tubers or just hang out in the cove. More storage, easy to get into. We've got 2 batteries and a battery switch down in there. We've got the UltraLux high back seat, digital shift throttle, power steering. We've got GPS speedometer, analog gauges, switches for all kinds of options. We've got lighting all over the boat. SIMRAD, we've got GPS Fishfinder, all kinds of good stuff in there. You have to check that out in person. JL stereo, it's Bluetooth, state-of-the-art stuff. JL speakers in this boat. Right here, movable cup holder, armrest, flip down armrest with cup holder. A lot of customers like to put in their trash cans. Easy, quick storage. We've got a JL subwoofer right here. Anybody who knows audio knows JL. And really just some vinyl flooring, French gray interior. My name is Marty Davis, 573-286-1130. If you have any questions, reach out to me on that number. I'll love to answer.